stickers to put on, so I thought I'd head up to the shed and put some on the toolbox at least. Let's go. Okay, so I got the stickers on. Thanks Josh and Nat, you guys are the legends, not me. Jen loves that one. Moto Chicks Do Rule. Tori Moto, I finally got some double take mirrors. I love them. So this is Jacob, a regular on our channel. He either likes to spend most of his time at full throttle or on the back wheel. And this is Bella. She rides a Yamaha MT-03. It's a cool little bike. She's on her L's because she lost her license a while ago and she's only just been able to sit the advanced course. So she's done that on Saturday and she passed, of course. This is me. I'm a little bit camera shy, so you won't see me too often. I have a KTM 390 Adventure, a Ninja 400, and this little beauty KLX 250. This is John. He has the KTM 790 Adventure R. We also have Matt. Unfortunately, I don't have a photo of him at the moment, but this is his bike. So I basically just wanted to give you a little look at who we are, see our faces, see what we're riding and who's going to be part of the channel. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks guys.